So what is web UI and what all the UI technologies I explained yesterday and day before yesterday. Okay, we are in HTML4. Yes, so web UI, under that we are in HTML4. Under that we discussed a few tags. Under HTML4 we discussed a few tags. The tag is nothing but it's an instruction to browser. We can give instruction to the browser in the form of tag. This tag name we write it between less than and greater than. We usually start the tag name. This tag we usually start here tag name. This if you write like this, then we call it as here pair tag. So if you write like this, then we call it as pair tag. We already know that here unpaired tag. Unpaired tag is nothing but here when we write the tag name, here itself we'll close it. Yesterday we discussed one image tag, img_src. This image tag comes under, this image tag is used for writing. Okay, this image tag is used for writing that this particular code. So we can able to write this code with this. Okay, only 4 members today. Okay. Here 1.jpg or any image yesterday I discussed. By that we can show you one image tag. Image tag attributes, specific attributes for the image tag is width, src, width and height and alt. Alt is nothing but alternative text for the image. For the image we can write alternative text, that is image tag. Here we can give instruction to the browser. This pair tag is nothing but example here body tag. So body tag and all comes under. So body tag and HTML tag, like this all tags are comes under pair tags. So we can write it here pair tags and unpair tags. Pair tag means once we start the tag name we have to end the tag. And we discussed few more tags, block elements and inline elements. 24th September 2021 at 6 AM. Yeah. Here we can write here block elements and inline elements. Inline elements are nothing but block elements are here. We have block elements and inline elements. Block elements are here. We have block elements are nothing but once we start the tag, it always starts it in a new line of the HTML page. So h1 tag, h2 tag, like that we can write here all the tags. These all tags will start it in a new line of the HTML page. So new line of HTML page. So these all the tags will start it in a new line of the HTML page. Similar way we can write it here inline elements. Inline elements are nothing but it will continue in the same line of the HTML page. So it will continue in same line of the HTML page, that we call it as inline elements. So here I tag, italic content, em tag also used for italic content. Similar way we can write here few more tags. I tag, em tag for italic content, and b tag and strong tag both are used for, b tag and strong tag both are used for writing bold content. And what I discussed, u tag for underline, and big tag is little bigger content, big tag is little bigger content, small tag is the small size content, and strike tag is used for strikeouted content. And yesterday we discussed br tag, that is not inline element. Span tag and mark tag. Span tag is used for writing span tag. So here slash span. This span tag is used for span elements. These all used for highlighting the content. And mark tag also used for highlighting the content. and we discussed these all inline elements. And apart from this, we discussed BR tag. BR tag, it's all image tag also inline element only. Image tag also, it is an inline element. It will continue, that images will continue in the same line. Here, if we write here BR tag, it will break the line. HR tag, it will be horizontal line. We can write here BR tag and as well as HR tag. Okay. So BR tag is used for break the line and HR tag is used for horizontal line. So in this time, so this HR tag, we can write it differently with the width and height. So width of 200 pixels and then height of 200 pixels. By that, we can display that output like this. Width of 200 pixels, then height of 200 pixels. With that, here within that, sorry, width means it is the thickness of that. Width is nothing but percentage, how much percentage you want to occupy that horizontal line, that is width, and the size is nothing but thickness of that one, thickness, and then color is used for displaying the color for it. So this way we can write that HR tag. HR tag is used for horizontal line. We can write that horizontal line in this way. Here we can write it here, horizontal line. Under that horizontal line, we can write all these things like this. Okay. Yeah. Next one, here is the horizontal line. We can display like this. And next, what I discussed, what I covered you, apart from HR and image tag. Did I started marquee tag?
No.
No. Okay. 6 a.m. September. So block elements, inline elements, some tags.html. Under that, we discussed only image tag. Image within the width and height we displayed. Okay. Here, after this image tag, some tags, marquee tag, I'll tell you. Here, marquee. So this marquee tag, so any flash news, any upcoming news or anything, so we can display to the user by using this flash. Here flash is here like this. Here marquee tag. Just run this program. If I run this program with the live server, you will see one right to left content. Some content will move from right to left. So see here flash news, it is moving from right side to left side. This movement is because of marquee tag. Any direction of movement we can write it. So either right to left or left to right, any direction of movement we can write it here. So if we write that right to left, so within that we can display our right to left or left to right. We can scroll that horizontal movement or vertical movement, any movement we can create it with this. So I'll show you how to write this horizontal line with a right to left and left to right. I'll show you here. Okay, here here marquee tag, we can use it like this. Here that same marquee tag, I can write it here, marquee with a direction. If I write here direction up, so this content will move in up direction. Suppose if I write any image also, img src, if I write here 2.jpg, this image also will move right to left direction, sorry, bottom to top direction. So bottom to top direction, so it will move one image. See here, flash news is going in this direction. See here, it is bottom to top. This way it will move. What is the bottom? So if you place one image, what will be the size of that image? That edge is the bottom. So from that bottom to top, it will move that image. Okay. And here, if I write that argue direction, I'm writing one HR tag. After that, I want to write one more marquee for the direction of direction of towards right. So right to left if you want to move that content. So some content I want to write it. This content I want to move it in right to left direction. See here, after horizontal line, some content is moving towards right, some content is towards left, some content is moving up direction. That scroll amount also you can fix it for any direction. If you write here scroll amount is the property, you can write it for any time. Scroll amount equal to 20. So by that scrolling speed, see here that image how fast it is moving. So if I write here 2, scroll amount to 2, slowly that image is coming up, very slowly. Okay, so if I write here 1, so very slowly that image is coming up. So this way we can write the marquee tag with a different scroll amounts and different directions. So you can write here up as well as down. Down direction marquee tag also we can write it. Any content or anything you want to write it. So you can write here marquee tag with a direction of down. So down direction content we can show to the user flash. So this down direction content we can show to the user from user. See here, some content is moving down. See, some content is moving down, up and down. The down movement I cannot see. So that scroll amount I want to fix it. Scroll amount of 1. I'm writing here. So within that scroll amount, it will move this content. Content as well as if you write any image. By that, see, I can show you one image and the flash. Both are coming down. See, one image is moving up direction, one image and the content moving down direction, and one content is moving left to right, right to left. This type of directions we can use it. Okay. What is our strength? Class strength. Now you are 6 people. I got some mail IDs. You all are ready at 6:30 to 7:30 class, or 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, which is possible for you? Means just Monday onwards I want to change the class timing with other batch. Yes.
Looks like my ID is missing in this. I paid it long time back.
Your who? Deepa?
Deepika Pali.
Deepika. Okay. So I have to get your mail ID. They are missing, I think. Is it possible to change the class time? Actually, as of now, no changes. For Monday also, if they are, until they come, we'll continue 6:15 to 7 o'clock class. So once if they are ready, so I want to merge the batch 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. 7 a.m. and 6 a.m. batch. I want to we'll take one common time, 6:30 to 7:30 or 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. So that is in future. Not even from Monday also. Think so Monday also they may not get ready. So once they get ready, I'll let you know. So we want to change the time, but until I inform no change in the class time, I'll start at 6:15. And one more information, Monday onwards link will change. So you'll get go to meeting link. This is training link. Every day you have to do registration. No? So Monday onwards you won't get any registration links. Directly you can log in. Okay. Yeah. So here within that width and height, we can show that marquee tag. That marquee content will move up direction, down direction like this. Similar way, here I'm using here HR tag and marquee tag. Are we using this span tag, marquee tag, HR tag, block elements? Are we using any project or not? So really are we using or not? Let's check it. So I'll show you one school website. Some scrolling content you can see here. See here some announcement you can see home page. So patches only it's showing. Okay, no scrolling. Okay, scrolling images we have. Okay, few days back it is showed some scrolling content here. Kakatiya University. See here, some content is moving towards right to left. Right to left. In the bottom 3 lines of code, it is moving towards right to left. And here they are using, displaying here one bigger content, a big size content I can show to the user like this. Okay, any doubts up to now? Indu, you raised your hand. Here, yeah, university website. So are they using any H1 to H6 tags or not? You can check it. See H2 tag. So as of now, we already know about the H2 tag. H2 tag we are discussing here. Your mail ID is missing. Indu 627. 627. 627. All of you are 627 only, no? 6:30 to 7:30. If I required, can I change it or not? Just I'm getting information from you. If you're all flexible, I'll change the time. 6:30 to 7:30 or 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. Indu mail ID missing, Deepak mail ID missing. Okay, I'll ask organizer. Yeah. So here, all informations we can show to the user. See here, some content moving towards left, towards right. See that H2 tag. Because of that H2 tag, I'm able to display this heading. See, we are using this type of content. See here, only university is in bold. Is it a block element or inline element? And what is the tag name? See here, strong tag, outdated actually. Strong tag. They are using strong tag for displaying this block content, a big block site content. And here you can see here blue color informations. All this is also all because of see here. Some content is moving towards right to left. This is also because of marker tag. The tabbed view, mouse over time, how the tabs will change. This we'll discuss with the CSS. But here, how we are writing different font size content. Normally with the CSS, you will write font size. But here we are writing here university news. What we are displaying here, this university news we are displaying with the H1 to H6 tags. Any one tag. A bigger content will be displayed with H1 to H6 tags. We use it here for displaying the bigger size content. 1 minute. Here we can write it here H1 to H6 tags. See, this is They are not using H1 to H6, not H1 to H6. They are using span tag. So for writing this center of the page. Here, center tag, if you want to write any content at the center of the page, we use center tag. So we can use it here, center. Under that, we can write it here. In the middle center, it is showing that content. So hello to HTML page is showing here because of center tag. Because of center tag, it's showing like that. And similar way, we can display our output for center tag, and we can display our output for that center also. If you want to highlight some part of the content, you can use either span tag or a mark tag. By that, you can write some of the content in yellow color. See here, some content in yellow, and I can display like this. This way we can use here center tag. So here what we discussed here today, image tag yesterday, marquee tag with the different directions, marquee tag with content, marquee tag with images, and center tag. Center tag is used to display the content at the center of the page. In the middle center, you can display that content. So this one we call it as center tag. So we use the center tag for displaying of content. Okay, center tag we are using here for displaying of content. Marquee tag, center tag, image tag, like this we can show. Center, span, marquee. Next one. UL tag. So UL tag is used for ordered list, unordered list. Any list items, if you want to show to the user, we have to use ordered list or unordered list. Any list items. If you want to show any list items for the user, so OL tag or UL tag, we can use it here for displaying list items. Here I'm using here LI. So how many LIs I'll write it, those many list items I can display to the user. Those many list items I can display to the user. So here also I'm using here LI tag. This LI tag is used for displaying that list item. So I can use here item 1, item 2, item 3. So by that I can display that multiple items here. So item 1, item 2, item 3, by that I can display that multiple items for the application. Here I'm using here multiple list items. I can write it with UL tag or OL tag. Anyway, you can write it. UL tag is, we call it as unordered list. OL tag is nothing but ordered list. So anyway, we can display our output to the user. So in this time, here I'm using here OL tag or UL tag. UL tag and OL tag, we can use it here. 1 minute. Because of OL tag, it is showing that list items like this. Here all list items it is showing like this. All the list items it is showing like this. So this is because of here. This is because of here UL tag and the OL tag. UL tag is used for displaying that list items. The OL tag also used for displaying that list items. So here here now I'm going to show you that list items with a different type. Here UL tag we are using here. So that first UL tag, second UL tag, and third UL tag. So these all UL tags. See, if you mention that type attribute, type equal to circle. So by that all list items you can show you with the circles, circle bullet symbols. So if you write here type equal to square. So all the list items we can show you with the square. Here we can write it here type equal to square disk. Disk is used for displaying that list items with a disk symbol. See here by default, if you only use yes, any doubts? Yes, Archana, any doubts? Okay. Yeah. So here, if you don't write any type, by default it show you that disk symbol. If you write the type is circle, by that it will show you all the list items with the circles. If I write here square, all the list items with will show you with a square. Here we are writing here disk. So this way we can display our output. Here we can write it here circle disk square. Circle is used for displaying that list items with a circle, square, and disk. So these three things we can show to the user. Circle, disk, square. So three types of things we can show to the user: circle, disk, square. So here OL tag. OL tag is used for unordered list. So here we write that OL tag with the type of here OL tag is on ordered list. So what we call here H1 tag ordered list. Ordered list. That ordered list how will show? I'll show you. Here it is H1 tag unordered list. So how to show you ordered list and unordered list? So you can see here ordered list or unordered list. That square list items we can show like this. Circle, disk, square. Unordered list. That unordered list sake we can write here type equal to by default it will show you 1 2 3. You can write here small ABCs, capital ABCs, 0 to capital Roman letters and small Roman letters. See here these all are allowed. That UL tag type you can write it with a type equal to, here we can write it with the small letters or capital letters. We can write it with a type equal to small Roman letters. These are all allowed. See here. So ordered list we are displaying like this ordered list. So 1 2 3 capital ABC, small ABCs, capital 1 2 3s and small 1 2 3s Roman letters. These all are by type. Yes, if you have any doubt you can unmute and talk. Okay. Yeah. So here we are displaying here that list items. So list items, all list items it is showing like this. It is ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list is used for if you don't write any type, it is disk symbol. If you write any type, type equal to disk, by that also it show you disk symbol. And if you write circle, that bullets will be like this. If you don't want any type, if you don't want to show any type for this, and if you want to show like a horizontal list items, we use for that we use CSS. So if you check any website, if anything is showing in horizontal, see here, this is vertical menus, but there is no symbols. If you check this one, are they using UL tag or any other tag? Let's see here. See, list item UL tag. See here, they are using list items, that is also UL tag. Because of UL tag, it is showing here that all list items are like this. List item, list item, list item. All list items it is showing like this. Okay. So because of UL tag, it is showing all the list items like this. So this type of output we can show to the user. This type of output we can show to the user by this type of list items we can show to the user by using this list items. So we are displaying here list items like this. By that we can show our output. Okay. So any menu bar. See here we are showing here tabbed pan. This tabbed pan, how we are showing, you can observe here, this tabbed pan we are showing to the user. This tabbed pan what we are showing to the user, that is also because of here the tabbed pan what we are showing here, this tabbed pan. So this is completely a tabbed pan. This is also because of anchor tag, and that anchor tag is also by list item. See here. Here this is the list item. That list items you can show to the user. See here. All are list items. What is the outer one? UL tag. See, most of them UL tag we are using here for menu bar. If you check any menu bar, see, even if I want this tabbed pan also by this tabs also by UL tag, and here this meeting links all are separated by some slant lines. This is also because of that UL tag. See here, that list items we can show to the user. See here, UL tag. Because of UL tag, I'm able to show that all the list items like this. So all list items we can show to the user because of UL tag. UL and LI. Because of UL and LI, I'm able to show my output like this. So this way we can write all our output. So we can write here UL tag, OL tag, list items, all we can display to the user. Okay, this is also because of UL tag is UL tag. This UL tag is just because of menu bar. So if you don't use UL tag, even though you can display menu bar, but this UL tag is aligning the items according to the CSS. See, they are writing here float right and font size and list style none. If I don't write the list style none, so some properties we have here in that is they already written this properties here, so that's why it is showing that output will be like that. So all will be show bullet symbols if you write that list item list style none. If you remove it, all it will show you bullet symbols or disk symbols. Some bullet symbols it will show. Ordered list will show you unordered list will show you like this. Ordered list will be like this, unordered list will be like this. So two ways of we can write that we can write list items in the web page. But any type of list item, if you write the CSS, then only you can align it in that proper way. Just if you write UL tag, it won't give you any type of vertical menu or a horizontal menu. We have to definitely write the CSS. If we write the CSS, then only we can understand what is the purpose of it. Okay. Yeah. So we'll see here how to work with the UL tag and the OL tag. These all the tags. How we can write this OL tag, UL tag, and this list items. What we are displaying here. These all list items. And marquee tag. What is the purpose of marquee tag and usage of the marquee tag? And horizontal line. What all the attributes? Specifically, we have horizontal line attributes. Then span tag. Span tag is used for highlighting the content. So in real time also we are using somewhere span tags. This is H1 to H6 any one tag. See here, if you want to check any website, you can see that application like that. So you can see that output of the application. See H1. So we are using here H1 tag because of that H1 tag only it is showing that bigger one. Here all divisions, div tags, I'll explain you later. As of now, we don't know about it. Just what we know, we'll observe. Here sidebar, UL tag sidebar. Because of that UL tag sidebar, I'm able to show that one sidebar content. This way, we can show all our output. So sidebar we can show to the user, center content we can show to the user, right side content, left side content. Like that, we can write all our content to HTML page like this. Okay, so all our content we can show to the user per this HTML page like this. So now I'm able to show that HTML tag and HTML contents are like this. So now H1 to H6 tags we are using here for displaying this all outputs. And yeah, H1 to H6 tags and the paragraph tag. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So a few more tags we have. I'll cover you in the from Monday session. So Monday onwards you'll get new link. I have only six students mail IDs. So all of them, only Deepak and Indu, you both mail IDs I'm missing, right? Remaining all students, you have your mail ID here. Archana, Damesh. Yes. Do you have your mail ID in this? Indu mail ID is missing. Anyone's mail ID is missing here?
Ma'am, Harish here actually. I'm yet to pay, so that is the reason my email ID is not displaying. Today I'm going to make the payment. So maybe today get my email ID from DURGASOFT.
Okay, fine. So once I get it, I'll enter into more number of tags I can cover in the class. Okay. So more number of practices we can do it. So mostly I'm expecting from Monday onwards you will all will be regular. So you all will be registered. Then I'll start the regular session. Already we started. So we'll continue more number of tags and I'll start 6:10 to 6:15 in the middle. I'll start my session. So I'll continue up to 7 o'clock and Saturday I'll take a 1.5 hour session. Saturday I'll take 1.5 hour session. But this Saturday no class. Saturday, Sunday. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow no class. We'll meet on Monday. We'll get the new link for the Monday class. Okay.
Okay. Madam, please let's have this class from 6 to 7 a.m. only, ma'am. So it will be very easy and it will be good for me, ma'am. That's a request from my side. Yeah.
All the students, is it works only 6 to 7 or 6:30 to 7:30? Is it works for you?
6 to 7, ma'am.
6 to 7. Okay. Shashank 6 to 7. Indu 6 to 7. Okay, fine. We'll fix this time only 6 to 7. Okay then. Okay then. Thank you. That's it for today. We'll meet to Monday for the continuation. Thank you.